Hello friends, here's a really hot gift idea for the holidays. Hot chocolate bombs. Of course, I won't judge you if you gift these to yourself. They're easier to make than you think, and still make a lovely, cozy vibe winter holiday present. Let's get into it. To make the chocolate shells, measure out the baking chocolate in a bowl and set aside 1 or 2 small handfuls of chocolate. Melt the bigger bowl in the microwave in 15-second increments. Toss in the rest of the chocolate and mix until smooth. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of melted chocolate into each section of the silicone mold. Use a spoon to coat all sides of the half sphere, and make sure to go all the way up to the sides and to cover up any holes that appear. Flip the silicone mold upside down and let it set for a minute. Then lift it up and gently shake it to let some extra chocolate out. Flip the mold back over, place it on a solid surface, and put it in the freezer for at least 10 minutes. While the shells set, make the hot chocolate mix of your choice. For traditional hot chocolate, combine cocoa powder, cornstarch, sugar, and finely chopped baking chocolate in a bowl and mix together. For a matcha hot chocolate, replace the cocoa powder with matcha powder and combine all other ingredients. For Mexican hot chocolate, add some cinnamon and a bit of cayenne pepper powder to the rest of the traditional hot chocolate ingredients. And finally, for a spicy chai option, add cardamom, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger powder, allspice, and black pepper. Then add in all of the traditional ingredients except cocoa powder. When the chocolate shells are set, take them out of the freezer, flip the mold over, and very gently pull at the sides of the mold. Very slowly peel off the mold. I prefer to do the corner shells first so that I can pull the corners of the mold off. Now that the shells are free, fill half of them with 1 tablespoon of the hot chocolate mix of your choice. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of marshmallows if you want. Just make sure they don't hang off the edges. Let's turn the shells into spheres. Microwave a plate for about 1 minute. Take an unfilled shell and place it on the plate, edge down, for about 10 seconds. Then, very quickly place it on top of a shell with the hot chocolate mix. Do your best to make sure the edges are sealed. Do this with all of your shells, and now you have hot chocolate bombs. If you want, you can decorate them with leftover chocolate and package them when they're dry, or go straight to enjoying. Just heat up about 8 ounces or 240 milliliters of non-dairy milk to a simmer. Pour on top of your hot chocolate bomb in a mug and stir for about 1 minute. Then it's time to cozy up, relax, and enjoy. While you do that, please like this video the same way you're liking your hot chocolate, and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more vegan baking adventures. Thank you for watching.